Thank you very much. It's great to be here on the TED stage to tell you about what is turning out to be a fascinating new art form. So the world is not flat, we know that. So why are the screens that we watch television and movies and gaming and mobile flat? Why are they flat? Well, the truth is they don't need to be. I'd like everybody in the room right now to close one eye. And if you can't wink like that, just put one hand over your eye. Look around the room. It's not bad, it looks pretty good, but what you're seeing right now is in 2D. So if you slowly open up both eyes and look around to the person next to you, what you're seeing with two eyes is in stereoscopic 3D. And this is a very basic principle, but as binocular creatures, as humans, we have two eyes. And the reason we have two eyes is so we can see depth. We can understand the relationship between objects that are closer and farther away. You know that I'm in front of the screen because you have two working eyes. And you understand that the people in front of you are a few feet away. As you look forward, your eyes will toe in, just like if you put your finger in front of your face. And as you look out on the horizon at a beach, your eyes are more parallel and more relaxed. So when we film stereoscopic 3D, we do the same thing. We have two cameras. We have a left and right eye view. And the cameras are motion controlled. They can toe in like your eyes. They can also move closer and farther apart depending on the relationship to the subject. Now, if you do something simple like shoot a tree, photograph a tree in 2D, it's very flat. It's up against a wall. If you shoot it in 3D, it's like a sphere. It has thousands of layers of depth. Every single leaf on that tree is at a different level. And that's the huge difference between 2D and 3D imagery. Any questions? No, I'm just kidding. So you might be wondering why this is relevant to you. And the reason it's relevant to you is that 3D is changing everything as we speak. You've probably seen an IMAX 3D film. You've probably seen a 3D film in cinemas. But it's changing the way we tell stories and the relationship we have to the subject when you're watching a film or even doing storytelling on the internet. If you've seen Avatar, the immersive experience that was created for the forests and most of the film is quite fascinating. And whether you're flying over the clouds in a film like How to Train Your Dragon, or whether you are watching a commercial for Lexus where a champagne glass explodes in front of you, we create in 3D an immersive experience that is truly unlike 2D. 3D is a window, and 2D is a wall. That is the main difference between the two experiences. So it changes the way we tell stories. Storytelling is what makes us human. It's about emotion, and it's about taking the audience on an emotional journey. And it's about immersing them in an emotional conversation that is immersive and takes place mostly in their mind. So when we do it in 3D, it's actually out in front for people to see. Interesting thing about 3D is it also increases memory retention. There's been 3 studies that show it increases the retention in educational environments, in cinema, and also in television. So this is a very fascinating part of it. So what I call the flatties, which is most digital content right now, is slowly going away. And what we're seeing now is the great storytellers of our generation, Werner Herzog, Wim Wenders, Martin Scorsese, obviously James Cameron. These filmmakers are all telling stories in this incredible new art form. So, again, why is this important to you? Because it's coming to television, it's coming to mobile, it's coming to tablet, it's already in gaming, it's already in cinema, and people always ask me, when are we getting rid of the glasses? I don't like to wear funny glasses when I'm watching television at home. And I say, well, I wear funny glasses when I watch television at home all the time. So yes, the glasses are going away as well. And ironically, in mobile and tablet, they're going to be glasses free this year. So 2D is a painting, 3D is like architecture. It's the best way to describe it. So thank you very much, and let's continue telling our stories with both eyes open and keep telling great stories. Thank you very much.